Check if the connection of power cable of T-up controller correctly. Check if the power switch of T-up controller turned on. Check if the power switch of keypad turned on. Check if there is no disconnection at the back side of keypad. Check the connection of keypad and power cables of controller. Assemble the cables of T-up controller. Refer to the above image. Remove the and unscrew all bolts of upper cover. Unscrew the bolts of ball insert bracket. Unscrew the fixing bolts of module assay. Remove all the cables of motor and photosensor and separate module assay. Spread the grease on shaft with brush. Move the rubber T with hand-moving T-block up and down several times, so the grease spreads all over. Remove the foreign substances with vacuum or brush, since the dust collects easily on T-block. Remove the foreign substances moving T-block up and down enough, since the dust comes inside a bush. Check if the rubber T is assembled loosely. Unscrew the fixing bolt if the state of assembly is bad. Beware of losing T-cap since it is not expandable material. Reassemble using screwdriver after bringing rubber T-cap, T-block to match the bolt hole. Check if the sensor PCB is damaged. If there is no damage, check the state of connection of connector or disconnection of cables. Unscrew the bolts of module's upper cover. Unscrew the bolts of module's lower cover. Remove the infrared sensor cable. Unscrew the fixing screw on back side of sensor PCB. Clean the photosensor with brush to remove foreign substances at backside of sensor PCB. Put the rubber tee up to check the state of dog. Check the state of dog. Unscrew the fixing bolt of dog using T-wrench. Adjust position of dog to the downside of T up when it shakes at the bottom. Reassemble after adjusting the position of dog. Dog has to be on the center of photosensor and not be interfered when put down the rubber tee. Reassemble in reverse order of disassemble. Check with naked eye if the infrared sensor worked normal or not. Unscrew the fixing bolts of rubber tee, when the red light turned off. Clean the dust on infrared sensor part with vacuum of brush after removing rubber tee. Reassemble in reverse order of disassemble after cleaning. Check if there is no disconnection when the light of infrared sensor tune red off. Unscrew the bolts of infrared sensor from the bottom side after putting down rubber tee. Reassemble the new infrared sensor in reverse order of disassemble. Remove all bolts on upper cover of ball collector. Remove all balls in ball collector. Clean the dirt using vacuum. Check if there is foreign substances shaking the ball collector. Reassemble in reverse order of disassemble. Remove all bolts on upper cover of ball collector. Remove all balls in ball collector. Clean the dirt using vacuum. Check if there is foreign substances shaking the ball collector. Reassemble in reverse order of disassemble. Check if there is no damage or crack on golf balls. Remove the ball if there is crack. Check if the automatic, manual cable is connected correctly with keypad PCB. Check if there is no damage on automatic, manual switch or disconnection of cables.